Here we are at Food, Fun, and Financials. A great opportunity for our recent grads and our soon-to-be grads to learn all about financial responsibility, all while eating good grub and having lots and lots of fun. How are you feeling, Miss Jolene?
I'm feeling wonderful.
Are you excited about what you're going to learn today?
Yes, I'm excited.
Awesome. Let's see what kind of grub we have. This looks so yummy. Of course, the end of the day, I find. What are you? College and career specialist. She is the college and career readiness specialist, along with our GEI guy, Jimmy. She's going to put on an awesome presentation for our
want salad on it?
grads. Having a good old time here.
You bet.
What's this?
Salad.
You want the salad or anything?
I'm good.
This salad looks scrumdiddlyumptious. We have veggie options, ground beef and turkey.
He came in here.
A little Danny.
Let's talk the homeless. Are you excited to be here?
Yes.
So what's today about? What are you going to learn about today?
I guess about the financial like how like you get to college and stuff. I don't know, to be honest. I'm just hungry now.
So the food draws them. We'll draw them, but while they're here, we're going to teach them about how to make a budget, how much college may cost, how much certain careers may cost, and how to make a budget based on how much you might be making. So these are lifelong skills. I definitely need to learn about making a budget. Do you agree, Miss Hannah? We're live.
Hello. Hi, Facebook world.
Hey, Facebook world.
I don't like it.
Let's go to the next table. We have Josh. I don't know her name.
I'm Shanna.
Shanna. She's cute. Food, fun, and financials.
in prison. He digging.
Look at Kayla over there. Look at her over there.
Shy.
So we're super excited about our presentation, but right now we're just having some fun.
Out the gate.
Enjoying some food. We have some of our alumni. See, Josh was the speaker at our recent graduation because he's like the bomb.
The bomb.
Yeah,
The bomb.
and
The
he's
nuclear
here.
bomb.
He took time out of his busy schedule.
Out of my busy
He's a
schedule.
librarian.
Busy.
He's going to. Are you
Shelving
still
books.
going to IU?
No, IUPUI.
IUPUI
Yes.
to major in
Yes, library science.
to library science.
Out
So,
the gate.
so
What's
yes,
happening, y'all?
we're really excited. Sure. Well, I have 3 viewers. You have to keep them entertained. So let's see what Jimmy the guy. I've always called him Jimmy the guy. We're live, Jimmy.
Live
Can you
on
give
what?
us a brief synopsis of what today will be for our students?
Today is a kind of introduction to financial basics, financial health, financial literacy, budgeting, banks, credit score, loans, all that type of stuff.
So things that our grads will need long term after they graduate from the Excel
That's right,
program.
yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, we're glad you're here, and
Glad
we're
to be
having
here.
some food, fun, and financials for our viewers here. Thank you, Jimmy. See ya. Thanks for joining us. I'll probably have a recap so you can hear from our grads what they learned today. See you guys. Say bye, everybody.
Bye. Follow my social media.
Corey's watching. Say hi, Corey.
What's happening, Corey?